Preheat your oven to 385 degrees. Start by cooking the sausage. Now in a large bowl, add 3 cups of baking mix and 1 cup of water. Mix that together to form dough. Add the fully cooked sausage and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Mix that together very well. Use nonstick spray for your baking sheet. Use your dough to create medium-sized biscuits across your baking sheet. Bake for 18 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy your cheesy sausage biscuits.